Hi, I'm Renee Watson-Taylor, and I am with Highland Christian Center. This has been a real unique opportunity for me to be in this movement to educate church folks about HIV/AIDS and other STDs as well. Within my house of faith, Highland Christian Center, it's been a real challenge to break down barriers, to teach people a new way of thinking about things, and also to let them know that we haven't always been Christians, and if we have, that there have been times that we've done things outside of that. And so maybe we've had partners before, maybe we're married and maybe our spouses have had partners before. So my message is that we should all be tested. In this group, it's been great to have a group of people who are like-minded in that. Being tested is the most important thing that we can do for ourselves. It lets us blaze a trail to say that we are concerned about what happens in our community, to say that we are concerned about the folks of faith that we deal with every day who are our family, and we want them to pay attention to their health. We want them to have healthy and long lives. There's no reason to have a fear of STDs, of HIV and AIDS. We need to combat this thing together. So I have to say that kudos to the healthy, interactive voices of faith for blazing this trail and giving me an opportunity to be a part of it.